Hey guys, David here from All West Softwash. Just doing a quick video. We've been making up this little 12 volt Softwash skid for Chris from Perth Jet Washing. So we're just finishing up now. A couple more stickers on the proportioner and we're all done. So we're just going to do a quick little walkthrough of it. Features a Delavan 7 gallon a minute, got 26 litre a minute, 100 psi pump. So obviously our other skids are 240 volt. So this is a little delve into 12 volt for you guys. So starting off from the top, we've got a 12-inch Rhino hose reel. So aluminium stainless steel hose reel. You've probably seen a bunch of them around. Mosmatic 1.5 inch swivel, so straight onto a poly softwash gun and a J rod. So we've got our four banger tips there. See, 2 straight nozzles, 2 fan nozzles. Aluminium constructed frame. We've actually swapped over to using a different aluminium, which looks so much better. I've moved from 5005 to 5052, more corrosion resistant, looks more betterer. Cool little pump master switch on the front here that we use in pretty much all of our stuff. Fancy blue light. We'll turn the pump on and off. On the right hand side here, I mean, I suppose this can be configured whether or not you want the proportion on the left and right hand side there, if you know how it's going to be set up. The base model of this will be without the proportioner, so the end will just be completely blanked off. It'll have one line basically into a batch tank. This one we're supplying with a 100 litre chemical tank. Customer already has a 250 litre buffer tank that they are going to continue to use for this as well. That's what the second line will be for. So we've just got to get some stickers made up for these lines, and we're all good. So we've got the clear blend manifold, so we can see if we have any leaks or what's coming through. You've got some fancy colours in your soap. That's cool. So these are Chemline 1/2 inch metering valves, these ones. All 3 of them are 1/2 inch ones. 90-degree turn for the water and SH, and then your middle one, which is a soap, is 180 degrees, so it's got a bit more adjustability. So if we follow those down, we've got 2 lines, and they will go into the tanks, into them, to in-tank PVC filters, so this won't fall apart or anything like that. Drop stick for his soap, so it's going to just drop into his soap bucket. So if you have a look at the fancy bit here, so 120 amp hour battery, nice big deep cycle AGM battery. So it's probably going to get him about 4 to 5 hours of use if we don't let it go down below 20% of its charge. We're using a bit of 3D printed components in our stuff, if you haven't noticed. Pretty cool custom little stuff. So we've got a high amp relay in there that takes the load. 40 amp circuit breaker as well to protect the pump and everything. All nice, neat wiring. And this is your 12 volt pump. So we've got a Delavan, whatever model that is. Someone should have mounted it. So it's mounted the right way. We mounted this way so that, because the electrical components are in here, if you do happen to have a leak, it's going to come out and not get into the motor or anything like that. All of our builds, stainless steel clamps, double clamped wherever we see fit. Anderson plug on there as well, so you can easily swap it out if it does happen to fail. So on the hose reel, we've got 50 meters of 5/8, so we can actually get the best performance out of the pump. 1/2 inch is going to restrict it a little bit, but this stuff is really nice. Slide that off. Super flexible. Pretty blue color. But we can actually fit the outside diameter of that is actually quite a bit. smaller than what is currently available, so we can actually fit 50 meters on there quite easily.